Hello gems, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be working with hair from Lwigs, and they were kind enough to send me over this beautiful wig to review for you guys. In the package you do get their information card. It just tells you information about the wig and how you can post your hair on social media, your pictures or your videos. You get wig caps, these cute clips with the company name on them, and also you get a tail comb and a edge brush. Also these cute little clips that I still haven't used, but I intend to use very soon. Okay, so we're gonna get into the wig. So I have their 5x5 braided closure wig. It comes with the adjustable strap in the back. It's a 5x5 closure. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It does have 4 combs and that most fit M cap, which I really do like. The wig is easy to install, guys. It's like a glueless, ready in couple minutes. You know, you just throw it on and go, and that's what she's looking like right on my head. I have her in 16 inches. She comes pre-plucked, she comes pre-bleached, she comes pre-braided, and the curls are so pretty. And I have her in the 180 density, which is absolutely gorgeous. She's full but not too full. She looks good. Look at her straight out the pack. She's awesome. I really like Lwigs wigs. They have been, it's been a game changer. You know, they're quick, ready, easy, just throw them on. So I'm gonna remove the lace. I do use this eyebrow razor to remove my lace because it has the jagged edge, so it doesn't cut it like straight across. It gives you that gradient that you need so that it doesn't look kind of wiggy on your head, and that's what it looks like with the lace all cut off. So I did one side, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side as well. Look at these braids. Whoever did these braids did a very good job. They are neat, they are tight enough, not too tight that it's pulling the lace like there's a hump or a lump or anything. It's just really nice. I really do love it. I wish I could try their fully braided wigs one day. Hopefully I'll be able to wear one of their full braid wigs. But look at this one, it's so nice. Like, if you don't know about wigs, you're not used to putting them on, you could just take this out the box, throw it on and just go. But I'm gonna be a little extra, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some dark concealer. As you can see, that's what it looks like with the dark concealer added. I'm gonna go in and cut the baby hairs down just a tad bit, just so they look a little bit more natural. I love the way they pluck these baby hair. Is very sparse. It's not too much where it looks overly fake, and you don't even have to curl them. You could just leave it, you know. But I'm gonna lay mine down with a little Got To Be Glued Old Faithful. I've always had one of these. It doesn't matter how many other edge control I own, I will always go back to Got To Be Glued because it's an old favorite, you know, and it's always been faithful. It has never left me. So I'm going in with their edge brush. I'm just kind of doing a little swoop with the hair. Honestly, I don't think I did a good job with the baby hairs, but it's just one of those things, you know. You kind of live and you learn. And yeah, I don't generally wear baby hair there anyway. I normally do it at the side, but I didn't know what to do with this hair, so I decided to put the baby hair there. And it was after finishing the video I realized, you know, I could have gone without laying the baby hairs. So I know the wig came pre everything, but for me, I just kind of want to flatten that part under the braids a little bit so there's not a little it's curly hair, and if the roots are curly, then it's gonna, you know, have a little hump, a little ice, you know, something. So I just kind of want to go in with my hot comb and flatten that. It's kind of optional. Again, this wig is straight out the pack, ready to go. You just need to remove the lace, but I just wanted to do a little extra just for me. My face is round, you know, I have like a round face, so if all the hair is down and if I didn't flatten the top, it would look too puffy. I didn't want that, you know. So yeah, that is what it's looking like with the edges laid, the lace cut off, you know. the curls not defined, it is still nice. It's like a messy curly look, you know, which I really like. But again, I do like some defined curls as well. This wig is full. It's 180 density, guys, and I'm telling you, you can't miss with this. Okay, I'm gonna go in and define my curls again because I'm a little extra and I just kind of want to see what they look like defined. So I just go in with my mousse, her foam, and then I just put it in my hands and just kind of saturate the hair with it a little, not too much, but just enough to make the curls pop, you know, because I know these curls have potential. The color is very beautiful. It's like an awesome color for fall, you know. You can't go wrong with this color. I really do love the color. I really do love the wig. I love the versatility of it. You can put it at the side if you desire. You can put it in the center or left part, right part, whatever you desire. This wig is very versatile. The lace again is HD lace. It melts right into your skin. As you guys can see, you can't tell where is lace and where my skin starts. So that is a beautiful thing. Again, this wig fit comfortably. It's like an all-day comfort wig because it has that M fit cap, that C shape in the ear area, so it falls right behind your ear without being uncomfortable, which I really do like. I'm going in and I'm just removing the ends, like those straggly ends, just to make the wig look a little more fuller and a little bit more polished, which I really do like. And I really love the final outcome of this wig. Guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Like, would you rock this wig? Would you try this for fall? Like, this is easy, you know. It's not a 13 by 13 ear to ear kind of thing, but hey, it's gorgeous. Look at it. Could you tell I was in love with this? Well, Lwigs did their big one with this one. Okay, again, it is in 16 inches. All the links to this wig will be in the description box, guys, so just go ahead and check them out. Lwigs have beautiful options, and they're gonna have Black Friday sale as well, so you gotta go and check yours. You guys can see this is glueless honey. I did not glue it down at all. I just put that got to be glued on my edges and she stayed. I didn't need to glue it down. She is completely glueless, you know. Look at it. I really love the wig, guys. Just go ahead and check out Lwigs. Okay, again, like I said, they have the Black Friday sale, so go and check them out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep slaying, queens. Bye.